youtuber Franco adentra em uma floresta que ele já explorara, onde existem relatos de um local abandonado, onde ocorrem atividades paranormais intensas e aparições de criaturas desconhecidas.
This all by myself. So wish me luck. I'm probably gonna need it. I'm definitely go outside. This is a forest. Right now I have my IR light on. There it is. There it is. I see you. Oh, what the fuck is that? Yo, I thought there was like people in the trees. Look at that. There it is. Oh my god, that thing is tall. I want to see if I could walk inside. I don't even want to walk inside, to be honest.
Ele, ao chegar no local, já é recepcionado por uma criatura alta e de olhos brilhantes que não parece ser humano. Em um momento, a criatura some e Franco não se sente muito à vontade em entrar na floresta.
Olá! Oh shit. Fuck was that? There's definitely somebody in there. I don't know what the fuck that was, but that definitely sounded human. Hola! Microphone is trying to stick to my night vision. I'm not getting a response.
Franco ouve um grito dentro da floresta e, quando assovia, ele recebe o assovio de volta. Ele tem a certeza de que algo está o espreitando e aguardando que ele entre na floresta.
Alright, so I switched back over to color on my GoPro. I really want to go in here with two hands, just in case, because I felt vulnerable the last time I was here. What the fuck am I hearing? Or a chicken. Telephone pole. Oh, what the f is that? There's somebody's f***ing hair on a tree. I don't know if this was here last time. I might have missed it. I don't think I missed it. I would have seen this. Some sort of rubber thing. I don't know what this is from.
Franco encontra cabelos em uma árvore e um barulho estranho fica ecoando na mata, como se um pássaro ou algo que estivesse fazendo um barulho repetitivo.
Alright, I'm gonna keep moving. I don't know if I should check the house again. And I am getting a bunch of lightning coming from the outside. If it rains, I'm gonna have a hard time being able to drive out of here because everything is all dirt road and it's gonna turn into mud. Oh my God, what the am I hearing? I'm hearing the same thing I heard the last time. It's whistling. And if it starts raining here with all my equipment, I am screwed. But this is the mansion here. Holy shit. What the fuck is that? Here, I'm gonna turn on my GoPro. There we go. Testing, testing, testing. Okay. I'm now recording on my GoPro as well. Holy shit. I'm hearing footsteps up here.
Franco ouve gritos e assovios em sua volta. Dentro da mansão abandonada, ele não consegue explorar muito, pois uma tempestade vem de encontro a ele. O explorador corre para seu carro, em meio à floresta, ecoando sons de passos e assovios. Franco promete voltar ali para explorar com mais calma aquele local. Se estiver gostando do vídeo, se inscreva. Isso ajuda muito o canal a crescer. E ative o sininho para não perder nenhum conteúdo. Obrigado. O youtuber Ian visita uma floresta cheia de histórias de assombrações e de atividades paranormais, munido de equipamentos de som que captam vozes em baixa frequência e sua câmera noturna. Ele explora essa floresta que foi palco de sumiços de pessoas e também onde crimes ocorreram ali. Um clima pesado e um ar tenso vão tomando conta da exploração.
Spirits out here. If you're a spirit here, I'm anywhere. Bears, Bigfoot, ghosts, anything. Okay. I don't know if I'm going crazy. I thought I heard something behind me. Hello? Who's over there? I don't know, maybe I'm just paranoid. I don't know. I thought I heard something, but I'm not sure. Oh, holy. Okay. All right. Okay, I don't know, man. Maybe I'm not going crazy. I don't know. I don't know if I should try this, but I'm gonna try walking backwards because I want to see what's coming up behind me. Honestly, I don't even like walking backwards because I don't know what's ahead of me. Is there somebody out here with me? Oh my God! Holy shit! That scared me so bad. That was a straight up voice from thin air. It was as if somebody was standing like right there. My name is Ian. Could you tell me your name? Are you standing in this exact spot right here? Could you say something?
Ian pergunta se há alguém ali e recebe uma resposta direta. Ele se assusta, mas segue tentando se comunicar com quem esteja ali.
I'm getting really chilled over here. I'm gonna walk up a little closer. I'm coming towards you. I mean you no harm. Oh my God! Oh my God, something just grabbed my shoulder. Holy moly. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to react that way. You just scared me. I really don't know what kind of grab that was. I don't know if that was like a hey kind of grab or hey, like get out of here. I'm actually not going to say anything this time. I'm actually just going to listen. Oh my God, I'm hearing all kinds of things over here. It sounds like voices, but they're so faint. I'll try to take a few pictures. I'm getting a lot of orbs. Holy moly. Whoa, guys, I'm getting a lot of weird ones.
Ian consegue captar vozes dentro da floresta. Vozes baixas, mas com seus aparelhos consegue as aumentar. Também tira algumas fotos e é possível ver muitos orbes. Orbes são anomalias visuais que aparecem em fotografias e vídeos. São geralmente redondos e luminosos. Alguns pesquisadores atribuem características paranormais a estes fenômenos.
Alright guys, on my way to the last mound. Let's see if anything else happens. There she is. It's weird. It smells like incense almost over here. Or like sage. I don't know. It's like different. I can't pinpoint it. Oh, it almost burns my lungs. Are you smoking something over here? Hello? Okay. I just heard talking. That sounded like a male voice. Could you speak again? Oh my God! Dude, that was a face! I just seen a face! That was a glowing face! Oh my God, I cannot believe that! Dude, his face just appeared right there! Right there! Oh my God, that was one of the craziest things I've ever seen!
Ian tenta contato com os espíritos que residem naquela floresta, e além de respostas faladas, é possível ver um rosto se formando e desaparecendo em segundos na direção de onde veio a voz masculina. É impressionante e aterrorizante. Que segredos uma floresta pode guardar? Que segredos os espíritos que ali habitam guardam? Isso é um mistério que atrai a curiosidade.